Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to create users in Salesforce. So let's begin by understanding what are users in Salesforce. In Salesforce, users are individuals who have login credentials to access the Salesforce system. Each user is assigned a unique username and password, and they are typically granted permissions based on their roles within the organization. The users in Salesforce can range from sales representatives and marketing professionals to administrators and developers. In Salesforce, a user is someone who has the login and can access the Salesforce system. Here we are going to discuss the whole process. So for this, we need to move to our developer account. So here I open my Lightning account, and by default it is open in the Lightning version, and here we want to discuss how to create user in the Salesforce Lightning account. So for this we firstly click on the gear icon and click on the setup option, and then enter the users in the quick find box, and under the user we can see a user option are present. Click on this users and it will successfully open the user setup. Now you have to click on the new user. Now you have to click on the new user to create a single user. We can also create a multiple user, but in this tutorial we will learn to create a single user. So you click on the new user. Now add the general information regarding the users. So first enter the first name, and here I enter the first name as this and the last name as this, and then enter the alias name that are automatically entered, and then enter the email. And you remember that your email is in the form of gmail.com, and then you can see the username and the nickname are automatically generated by refer of the email, and you also remember that your username is unique. Now, after that, you have to specify the role, user license, and profile. So, firstly, we select the role, and here we are selecting the role as a marketing team. So, where is a marketing team? And then select the user license, and here we select the user license as a Salesforce platform, and then we select the profile as a standard platform user. Now you can also add the mobile number here, and you can also add the mailing address if you want to add. Otherwise, leave it as it is because it is a optional. And these are the locale settings, are the necessary fields you have to set it. So by default, it is set, and I remain it as it is. And after that, I click on the save button, and this will show all the detail related to the user, and it will also send an email to the user that we have created. So I open my email, and here we go. A mail is sent to our Gmail by the support@salesforce.com. And here you can see that a verification account button is present under this mail. Welcome to the Salesforce. Click below to verify your account. For verifying this account, click on this verify account button, and it will redirect us to ready for a new password. If you want to reset your password, so click on this reset password button, and it will redirect us to change your password page. And now enter the new password for this Gmail, and the password should have 8 characters, one letter and one number. Now enter the new password here that you want to enter. Now confirm the password. This password does not match. Please enter again. Now our password is matched. And now select the security question. In what city were you born? Now enter the city, and remember this answer. If you log in into your Salesforce account, this question will be asked to you, and you can answer this question as you mention here, and click on the change password button. Now, if you want to update the password, then click on the update password. And here we go. Welcome to the Lightning experience. And now it will give us the onboarding session regarding to the Salesforce Lightning account. Now, if you click on the gear icon and click on the setup, you will automatically log in into your Salesforce Lightning account. And you can see that the user can successfully log in into their Salesforce account. This is how we can create a user in Salesforce Lightning. I hope that you like this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates of upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video tutorial. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.